Changing your air filter on your Model 3 or your Model Y is extremely important, but many people don't understand the advantages of using a higher end filter. When you select a filter, you want to make sure there's a sponge outer lining. That's very important. It keeps the water away from the filter material. This will prevent mildew and the smelly socks smell from coming into the cabin of your car. Let's go ahead and do this together. Turn off the climate control in your car. Then grab a flathead screwdriver along with a T20 Torx wrench. Next, you're going to remove the mats from within the right passenger side. Then underneath the glove box, you're going to find a plastic panel. You're going to remove these little fasteners, pull them down one by one, and then grip in the upper right and pull. The whole unit will come down. There are two cables attached. Once you remove those cables from the puddle light on the right and the speaker on the left, you can then remove this panel. With that gone, there is another panel here on the side compartment. You're going to yank on it from the upper right, and there are several fasteners. It will come right out. After that, grab your T20 Torx wrench, and in the upper left corner, you're going to remove the screw. The newer models don't require this, by the way. Pull the cable away, and the small compartment will come off, and now you can remove your old filters. Most of these accessories that I review are ones that I hand select because I am personally interested in them, and this is exactly one of those products. This is the Yoke steering wheel for my 2019 Model 3. In this video, I'm going to cover exactly how you can do this all on your own. I'm going to go over all of the tools required and cover all the steps from front to finish, because this gives me a whole new view. I can't tell you how excited I am. Regarding the new filters, the charcoal elements inside are also very important. You want to make sure that it doesn't dissolve in water. They are not soft or mushy. You do not want a knockoff brand. You want to make sure to head over to Tlyard to get the highest quality filters. These will save you a lot of time and money over the long run. Use a discount code at checkout like TechGeek to save 25 to 30% off of your total order. When you insert the new filters, make sure the white tab is on the upper right side. You're going to see here, once I push it down, there is a small white tab. You'll see it here in a moment. You're going to set the second one in place right above it. Now look for that white tab. It's right there sticking out. I always confirm that that is accessible at all times, as well as the one on the top. Then I put the compartment back in place, and then you can go and tighten this screw by hand to start before you top it off with the T20 Torx wrench. You put the cables back, and you're basically doing everything that you previously did, but now in reverse. Once the cable is back, you can then put the side panel back in place, and then next the upper compartment, and after that, you will be done in less than 7 minutes. Again, use a discount code at checkout like TechGeek to save 25 to 30% off of your total order. Thanks so much for watching, and until the next one, have a great day.